Alrighty, guys. We're gonna review MULN. Is MULN finally gonna go up after this nasty downtrend? And this is one of the most corrupt stocks I probably have seen in a while. I know they're corrupt and for sure the scam, but wow, did I not expect go from $7 just recently all the way to 11 cents? We were literally all the way up in here, you know, back in May at $7 freaking. I mean, this is crazy. I don't even know how they're actually still on the market. I don't know how they're not delisted here. I don't know how they're not charged for sec fraud. This is insane. So would I trade MULN? Absolutely not. I traded it multiple times, made a lot of good money. If you guys know my strategy, I love it when price gets to the ATR4, which is this bottom band here. I like to wait 6 daily candles when it hits it, and because when it hugs it, it is the most bullish pattern I ever seen. As you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. When you get in your entry down in here, and then price is always going to go back to the 5, the 10, and the 20. The 20 is a little harder to adjust to, and as you can see, this has made a massive gain, and then like 153%. So what's so different about this time that we have not hit the EMA 20? Well, it's the massive amount of dilution they have done. As you can see, price always maintains and hit the 20. When price gets near this HR4, a lot of the times you get a nice ripperoni right there. As you can see, all throughout the chart history of MULN, it's been very, very frequent. It gets away from the EMA 20, you shoot up, which is this blue band here. You get very close to the band here, you shoot up. And not always past performances are going to indicate future performances, but as you can see, you get near the ATR4, you touch it some, and then you shoot up to this EMA 20. This was the longest one it took. This was only a 2 months though. As you can see right here, we have a touch, and then we go to touch here. So price will hit it. But when there's massive dilution, it could take 3 months. It could take 4 months. And when you look at this, we are actually past the 3-month mark. The last time we touched the EMA 20 was 5/31. It is 9/16 the current date. 6/31, 7/31, 8/31. Like, good grief, we're going to 4 months, and we have massive volume probably from all the dilution here. So, would I buy MULN even though there's massive EMA 20? No, because obviously, we broke the all-time support. And when I was telling my Discord members here, you got to take the loss. Not every trade is going to be, just perfect. Sometimes you just got to take the loss, play another trade, and you'll be totally fine. And that's really what it is with trading. If something just does not work and you're down 20% on a trade, and there's another good trade that you want to get in, but you're so stubborn and you're like, I gotta win this trade. I gotta win. Or I feel like a loser. I feel like I have to be a perfect trader. That right there, if you are a sore loser in trading, you will never be successful in trading. That I guarantee you. If you cannot handle a loss, because all it takes is one trade to blow an account. So what happens is this all-time support broke. I actually got into this around the I had around the 23 cents, and I bought some lows here. It came back up, got a little excited. Then it got this candle right here. And I was like, you know what? Enough is enough. Get out of the freaking trade. And then I played Advanced Auto Parts, bought a lot of options, bought a lot of shares, and I made all of it back and then some. But that's how that just shows you don't have to stick with the company and make it work. Yes, this could have got all the way up and pumped way above my average, but that's all basing on hope. When if you get rid of the hope factor and just trade what you see, obviously I try to do a support and resistance here. My best trades are going to be at this HR4 band, so I wasn't very confident. Now, if MULN hits this band here, sure, it might be a good trade, but I'm just not even going to mess with this scam company anymore, because I truly think it should be delisted, and I would not doubt it if it really does. Now, they have a reverse split scheduled, 1 for 100 too. That's insane. 1 for 100 reverse split happening. So they got that scheduled on September 17th. So that is tomorrow. So this thing will have its reverse split, and and then we'll see what it does from that. But in my honest opinion, I would wait for this lower band here, as that has been the best setups as for my swing trading setups. If you're not trading like based on that, then it really is kind of hard. The trend channel, this is what the current trend channel says. Obviously, you have resistance here, support here, resistance up in here, and you're gonna have your support down here if it goes there. That's the most likely the area that I would, if you truly wanted to buy MULN and you're just a daredevil and you just, you think this company won't be delisted and you can get a couple little bounces off of that. But I like to show you, there's so much better companies. You could trade options. If you were like, well, I only have $500. I have to trade penny stocks. I only have 1,000, or I'll make nothing on bigger caps. Yeah, you're right. But why don't you just trade options on the biggest stocks in the world? You got indexes, SPY, NQ, or the QQQs, and you can do zero DTE options with this strategy, on a lower time frame and make massive money instead of having to worry about this dilution. It's just crazy to me because I got people, just hanging on this thing for dear life, just praying to the market gods they make money, when honestly, just cut the trade out. I'm telling you guys, your mentality would be better, your psychology would be better. It just wasn't a good trade, and that's what happens. When I do day trades, when I'm doing a day trade, if I'm down 20%, there is no questions asked. I am out of the trade. Most of the times, I am on a 25 win streak because I am very conservative on what trades I take. I do a smaller time frames. I will show you guys examples of how that works. I did a QQQ trade making 30% right off the bat on this morning in a matter of a couple minutes. Right up in here, the bottom band was touched on a smaller time frame. This is what happens on a smaller time frame. The bottom band was touched. Zero DT options. This made above over 50%. I took the 30% gain in a matter of minutes. Now, if MULN did that, everyone would be freaking out. MULN's up 30%. Everyone's cheering their, they're like, holy crap, it's going to the moon. I just made that in a couple minutes. I'll show you a 1 minute chart on QQQQ that I did right in here. And this is the power of day trading. Right up in here, very consistent price action. We have time distance. We took this trade right in here in the team, and we made a massive 30% potential here. Obviously, I took 10%. So I show you all this, that you can make it back if you're down 20, 30, even 50, even 80%. Don't lose all your money. This is for all the people that are holding this. I got out of it. I didn't like it. I made lots of money on it. And I wasn't for sure, and I was definitely not going to lose all the profits I made on MULN. I've traded this thing many, many times right in here, and then I traded it right in here for a nice gain as we tugged the ATR4. It hit this EMA 10 and made massive money. And as you can see, this pump right here was a 30% move. Obviously, this one was bigger because it was more drastically oversold. This was 154%. It can pump, and like I said, the EMA 20 will get hit, but the problem is they're going to have the reverse split, and then it's going to go down even more. And then by the time this thing gets anywhere, this EMA 20 will probably be down in, let's say worst case scenario, let's say 15 cents. It goes all the way down here, the more it takes. And when there's more dilution like this, the corrupt company, it could take a long time. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you guys want to join the premium Discord, this is your chance to do it. Click the link down below in the YouTube comments and in the description. It'll say join the premium Discord for my alerts and system. It'll take you to this free chat landing page. Please read how to subscribe. If you have an Android, you will have to do it on your computer, your phone's browser. Read the testimonies of a lot of people making money. The day trading is absolutely fire. It's my favorite service. It's my bread and butter. If you want to subscribe to my system, it's very cheap. Just hit the server shop on the top left, and you'll see Day and Swing Trading Plus is $12 a month, and you get access to everything. I repeat, $12 a month compared to paying hundreds and hundreds of dollars on other servers where they don't even tell you how to fish. They just alert something and hope for the best, and they give you a watch list. One of the trades will work, and then the other, 1 out of 10 works, and the other 9 blow your account. With this services, I wanted you guys to know why I take a trade. You're not just blindly taking a trade. MULN was not a good trade till it hits this ATR4. And if you're not sticking to a strict stop loss, you're going to get burnt. I tell my people, we're going to have a 20% stop loss. with 2 accumulations on swing trades. I'm just going to treat it just like the day trades. It's got to be that strict, because when something unknown happens, you can get out of that. So $12 a month, access to all my channels, and you get entries and exits straight to your phone. Day trades is obviously my best. I make the most doing it. I have the biggest win streak. Swing trades take a little longer. I highly recommend day trades if you have a smaller account and even a bigger account, because you'll make massive money. And I can even show you my RTK journal here. If you click this link, it'll take you right to my trades here and exactly what I take. As you can see, we are on 23 win streak all throughout here, making 10 to 20% gains every day. And I took a trade today. Haven't recorded. I'll put that in there. But yeah, definitely join it. I have the day trade alerts that show up in here. You get pinged. Day trading education. This is where you want to just watch all these videos. They're gonna really teach you guys what to do. And then swing trade alerts. I post them all right here with swing trading education. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. This is MULN analysis. This is real talk. If you really want to buy it, bottom trend channel is going to give you the best success. The best trades ever are always going to be at this lower band here. Price is going to go up to the EMA 20 from this range to here. It has a potential of 166% move. I suspect it hits it after the reverse split, and then it pumps probably like a week later, as that seems to be the theme with reverse splits. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys want to join the Discord, I highly recommend it. If not, that's up to you guys. If you guys like the video, give a like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you guys in the Discord. Let's make some money.